Hi, this is Chris Ruisi, the coach. And today I want to talk to you about problems. We all have problems in our business lives and our personal lives, but I want to talk about them in your business life and your career. And, it's one thing to have problems, it's another thing to solve problems. And I want to share with you a three-step process to solve problems that I learned from a lady named Meg Whitman at the time when she was chairman and CEO of eBay. And she used the analogy of the problem as being cows stuck in the creek. And she broke it down into three simple steps when you have a problem. So if you were a farmer and your cows got stuck in the creek, you had a problem because the cows could not give milk and they could get hurt, and that would impact the farmer's business. So the first step in solving that problem was get the cows out of the creek. And by that we mean, how do you problems have a disruptive effect on your business. So how do we stop the disruption and get to some level of normalcy so that we can begin to understand what took place and how to fix it? So the first step, get the cows out of the creek, bring some level of normal activity back to your business. The second step is to figure out, how did the cows get in the creek? Now, there may have been in your business a breakdown in systems, maybe a breakdown in employee training, a breakdown in product development. Something caused that problem to occur, and before you can fix it, you need to understand why it happened. So, step one, get the cows out of the creek. Step two, figure out how the cows got in the creek and fix that. And finally, step three, make sure the cows never get stuck in the creek again. And there you've got to deal with what permanent changes do we have to make to our procedures, our employee training, our customer interactions, and so forth, because you don't want to keep repeating the same problem over and over again. It becomes costly and disruptive to your business, and your customers will lose patience with you. But once you've determined how the cows will never go into the creek again, make sure you communicate those changes to all of the affected parties. Maybe it's your customers, maybe it's your vendors, maybe it's your employees. Make sure you cover all of the bases when you've come up with your permanent fix to getting the cows out of the creek. So we've all had problems, and if you have a particular way that works best for you and how you solved a problem, I want to know about it. Or if you have a particular problem you'd like me to help you solve, I'd like to know about that too.